My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Angel Smith and Chizzy don't come out come fight dirty for internet space. They come out to come call each other names, serious wicked names, where we say come make fans come shook mouth to settle the matter. And also, Doyin of the Big Brother Naija season don't come out again to come explain the reasons why she no go fit stay for mainland. So Doyin don dey hammer am for different interviews since say she nothing go ever fit make her stay for mainland. So a particular con ten t creator invite Doyin come tell am talk say ask am say wetin be the reason why you no fit stay for mainland, for Lagos mainland, wetin dey so wrong with mainland? Even if they give you 10 million naira you no stay? Sorry, if they give you 5 million naira you no stay? Doyin say no, say for 10 million naira she go consider am. Una lis ten to wetin Doyin talk for herself.
You made mention of something that got me to text you. She understand. It caught my attention. You said you can never marry someone that stay on the mainland. Why?
I'd just rather live on the island. I mean, I was living on mainland before, and I moved myself to the island, so I don't want to live on the mainland. It's a preference thing.
What if your future husband is from the mainland and is wealthy, very rich, and he wants you to come to the mainland to stay in Magodo?
I would ask him, baby, please can we live on the island instead? Everything I'm doing is on the island. I don't want to pack up and leave.
What if you refuse and you're in love with him?
When I get to that bridge, I'll cross.
No, leave the bridge. Now you bring down more cross the bridge for here. So nothing can make you stay on the mainland again?
I doubt it.
Nothing?
Nothing.
What if they ask you to come to the mainland? They'll be giving you 4 million naira every month.
But nobody's going to ask me to do that.
No, I'm just imagination. You won't.
If they increase the money a little bit.
It's like how much?
Maybe 10 million every month. I'll consider it.
So this her statement, according to some people, they believe to say Doyin and fake life these days is getting out of hand. Anything, we all know to say Doyin like talk and she dey sabi talk plenty things. But this her attitude since she come out to Big Brother Naija All Stars is getting out of hand. Her fake life activities these days, they not be small thing. Make we see how fans see this her interview where we say she do. The first person here say all these ladies now make those people living on mainland look like second-class citizens. Do they even know the caliber of people living in places like Ikeja GRA, Magodo 2, Anthony GRA to mention but a few. Personally, I don't work for Magodo before, and that place, oh my god, they get so many wealthy people where we say they stay for there. Another person can say, I would rather live in Magodo at GRA Ikeja Sha. In fact, the chickenet codedly rich people stay in Magodo and Ikeja GRA. But again, her choice. Yes, so she stated everything she does is on the island. So that's a valid reason to want to be there. Should be saying me, I'm not gonna lie. Mainland, I not too like that place. I prefer island to mainland by far. But yet again, everybody gets their own preference. No mean to say I no fit stay for mainland, but the way Doyin dey put am as if staying in mainland na something where we say she no go ever fit do. The next person say you all setting unrealistic standards for yourselves. Anyways, her life and her choice. Abi na how them take talk am safe. No easy. Now this thing I Sophia Momodu one dey do with Davido. You don already put your mind say I must stay for island, I must do this. Now they put pressure on herself. Me now, you no get where be say I no go fit stay. You know me to say I no get preference, but if you no work out for me, I can stay for anywhere. Somebody they say never because even things where be say you feel say you know if you do for your life, situation if you come you go do one. So we will not even kid ourselves. Also Angel matter with Chizzy. For months now, Chizzy don't they insult anybody where they for sheep. I remember how Chizzy sheep they spoil. Doyin was his love at that time. Son and say two of them their relationship no work. Chizzy can't go marry from a village. Why wetin be her name? Doyin can't go continue her relationship with another person. Ever since that sheep spoil, Chizzy no gain much from the sheep apart from small gifts wey be say they manage give at that time. The thing don dey pain am since. Say anybody wey be say dey for sheep, he have been throwing shades. In dey throw shades at Somje, in dey throw shades at sheep that time, in dey throw shades at Sheila sheep. Anybody wey be say just the sheep, even Javon sheep from Big Brother Titan, in don shade them too. So all those are where they shade them, none of them they talk anything. They go just ignore the guy, make he continue to the fool himself online. Today Angel can't come out to come blast am for everything wey be say im don dey do since. But before I show una Angel reply, make I show una some of the tweets wey be say Chizzy no dey tweet for the past how many months, shading people wey be say dey for ship. This one here, im say not even one endorsement yet you still slashes car that worth millions of naira, mounting pressure on those that put in hard work to earn a living. I cover my ash with the blood of Jesus. Anyways, hashtag still on still. Because a celebrity without money is called status of liberty. Because come another time, he say, I pray the last three ships standing is not for post engagement and likes. I don't want to hear stories who come put four laughing emoji. Because apart from shipping, una no get any other meaningful thing to post. If una ship sinks now, una brand go just buy. So im don dey do all these things since nobody answer am. So today im come out to come explain im audit to say one of his staff collect 7 million escape. Dat tweet na come make Angel reply am. According to him, mean say area boys caught my security man stealing my steel to aboki scrap people. After checking my stock card, I found out that material of 7 million is currently missing in my steel company. That means the boy have been stealing from me for a very long time. So Angel come put this P Square song Busybody under this wetin be name Chizzy tweet to shade him. So the thing come pain Chizzy well when come out come say, wait, who is that person that replied my tweet with busybody video by P Square? Someone should help, someone should find he or her for me. Im come still reply, come out come say still on still, I don't have time for night hawkers, which means wetin be her name, Angel na Olosho. Publicly come out like that to come call Angel Olosho now. Fans not take am lightly with him because they find that type of statement demeaning for a woman. First person here say I love Chizzy, but him calling Angel a night hawker is so low of him. Come on. Another one say he went too far. The next one say it's very stupid. You learn how to mind his business that paying him. Some people they attack Chizzy for calling Angel an Olosho. Some people to come and they call Angel to say why Angel go shook her mouth for waiting or consign her before. So they can't come out to come drag Angel. This one can say Angel should sit this one out, please. Yes, when business people are talking, she should excuse herself. She said on cam that men call her up and pay her to hang out with them, and she makes money from that. So on what ground does she have the right to throw Chizzy when he's talking about business issues? I beg you. That person come say it's funny how she just tweeted a video and is ranting like this. His action is so out of pocket. Looks like he's been waiting for this moment and Angel would give him what he wants. Another person say may God continue to bless Angel. Only one post from her made a grown man go on Twitter to rant. The next person say Chizzy was really doing church. Sheila will post pictures, he will come and rant. Somja will post, he will come and rant. Neotitu, he said all Big Brother Naija ships are fake. Same Chizzy that was in a ship with Doyin, he even followed the shippers group then. He collected shippers gifts. Chizzy, now you now don dey find Angel trouble since. Only this ones where she answer you come out come dey call the girl Olosho, which no make any sense. And you're a married man. Imagine calling another woman Olosho in public like that. Angel get it time now, the whole timeline go dey hot. Everybody go start to dey talk the one wey be say they talk. Anyways, I hope say Angel go just leave the matter like this because with the way the thing they go, so if she answer am, two of them go start to dey go back and forth. And I take care on her bye.